Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this eye look. All I guys can see in here is Morphe products besides my foundation. Of course, I won't be showing that in here. But yeah, I used the Jaclyn Hill palette in the 39A. So if you guys are ready to see and how to learn how to do this look, well, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I put tape already underneath my eye and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is just a eyeshadow primer. Alright, and to set that primer, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D setting powder. And I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid. And you guys want to make sure you have everything everything set, so whenever you apply your eyeshadows, the color will look really smooth and really pretty. Alright, so I am going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette, the Morphe palette. I am going to be starting to be using this color right here. I'm just going to be applying this color on my crease. I'm going to be adding a little bit at a time, just because I don't want to apply too much, because then it'll be really hard to take off. Whenever I am blending this on the outer V, I'm trying to make it kind of like a wing, so my eye will look like this. Alright, and if you guys see me that I'm looking this way, it's because I have a mirror right here. And it's a little bit big, it's a bigger mirror than this one, so that's why. Back with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this color right here. I'm just going to dark a little bit of that yellow tone. And then I am taking this color a little bit lower in the lid. Just a little bit closer to the lid, but not really there. And then I'm just doing a little bit of like pressing motions around the lid. And I'm just trying to leave the middle of the lid naked or without shadow. I am going to move to this color right here. This is like a dark brown, reddish brown color, and I'm just going to dip that a little bit, so in the outer V, and then bring it into the inner corner. So now I am going to be moving to this one right here. This is a little bit more of a burgundy red color, and I am going to go I'm going to be using my Morphe 330, and I'm just going to apply some of the product on the tip of the brush, and then I'm just going to put this in the outer V. And then whatever we have left, I am going to put a little bit in the inner corner. And then I'm just going to go back and forth to get that really blended, like to blend that everything there. Alright, so now I am going to be grabbing this orange shape, and I am going to be using the same brush, but this I am going to put it between the yellow and the burgundy color. I'm going to go back with this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to brush everything out. I'm going to be using this blue right here, and I'm just going to use a flat brush, and then I am going to be applying it in the middle of my lid. Right, so I didn't like how that blue was how was that blue turning out, because I think it was like really not chalky, but it wasn't the color that I was looking for. So I went ahead and used this color right here. I think that is like a bluish purple color, and I'm just going to be applying it this, like I'm going to be trying to do like a half cut crease. Yeah, this color is way prettier. Way prettier. So now I am going to be grabbing this darker purple here, and I'm just going to be putting this on top of that bluish purple color. I don't even know what color it is, but I'm just going to give it a little bit tap there. And it should be looking like this. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing this dark purple. I'm going to be using like a flat, fluffy brush, and I'm going to be putting this on the outer V just to dark that a little bit, and I'm going to be doing like a mixing this with the light purple. Now I'm going to be grabbing this dark burgundy right here, and I'm going to be using my Morphe 433 again, and I am going to, hopefully this is not too fat, like too big, but okay. And then I am going to be blending it right here, like between the crease, really lightly. I'm going to go finish my other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so if you see, I think my shadow is too high, and I don't personally like that, so I am going to be using like a nude shade, and I'm just going to be cleaning my brow. And for that, I am going to be using a flat brush like this, and I'm just going to get like a nude color eyeshadow, and then I'm just going to be cleaning my brow. Because that's what I like to do, you know, but it's whatever you guys prefer. If you like it like that, it's fine. Then I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and like blend everything down. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and put some falsies, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I did my eyeliner, my lashes, and I put my foundation, blush, highlight, and all that jazz. So now I'm here to show you, or to do basically the last step on the eye look. So for that, let me get a little bit closer. Alright. So for I'm going to be highlighting my inner corner, and for that I am going to be using a small brush. So in this case, I am going to be using this one right here, and then I am just going to be grabbing this is the Milani highlight. This is the Sun Glow. This is the number 3. I'm going to be spraying it with this Make It Do with setting spray from Milani, and then I am just going to put it on my inner corner. Oh, look how pretty it is. Same in the other eye. Grabbing this color right here, and I'm going to be combining it with this one, and I'm going to be applying this on the outer line, or like in the I don't know, you guys will see what I'm saying. So I'm just going to put it right here, and I'm going to stop at the middle of the eye. I'm going to be grabbing some black shadow, and I'm going to be putting it like in the end of the eye, so it will connect with the eyeliner. to go back, you guys can see already dirty. This is the only thing I don't know about this palette, that is white, and I use it so much that you get stains. But besides that, it's an amazing palette. So now I'm going to be grabbing this bluish purple color, this one right here, and then I'm going to take a cleaner brush, and then I'm just going to be putting it on the bottom, like right here. I'm going to be grabbing like a thicker brush, and I'm going to be using that mustard color that we used before, the first color, this one right here. I'm going to be blending this with all the shadows that we use. Now I'm just going to be putting some mascara on the bottom of my lash, and I'm just using this Maybelline one.
I have so many mascaras, so I just pick whichever I saw first.
I got some mascara on my nose. Mascara on me, so I'm going to let that dry, and I will show you how to get it off. And then meanwhile, I'm going to go pick up a lip color, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so if you guys can notice, I got some mascara on me. So how I take it off, I use like a clean one. I just brush it. It will come off, you see? It came off. So yeah, that's how I do it. Alright beauty, so I went ahead and put some my lipstick on, and this is the Morphe Jealousy, and I love this color. This is one of my favorites that they have, and I was just wanting to guys let you know that if you guys want me to do different type of videos like challenges or reviews, just comment down below and let me know. If you're not ready yet, go subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell down there, and follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. And I upload a little bit more on my Instagram, so you guys can go and check it out. And soon I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for your support guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!